people don't deserve this.
This is a feather in my cap because remember, I'm the one who brought this man to PCW.
You champion. You people don't deserve this. You people do not deserve this. But because I am something that Illuminate is not, I will be a fighting champion for my Inter-California Championship. I am giving an open challenge, an opportunity, my first title defense to anybody in the PCW locker room that has